Far too many people these days are still dragging around old vacuums, filling buckets with dirty mop water, and spending hours trying to get their floors to look half decent, without even realizing how much time and energy they're losing every single week. Upgrading to a modern robot vacuum and mop doesn't just improve your cleaning routine, it completely transforms your home life in ways you probably never imagined. The best robot vacuums today go far beyond suction. They scrub, wash, dry, self-clean, empty themselves, and navigate your home with intelligent precision that honestly feels futuristic. And the best part? Every model we're talking about in this video is available on Amazon right now with fresh deals and discounts. But before we continue, make sure to use our links because they'll take you directly to the latest offers for each product we talk about. Let's jump in. We begin with the Dream L10S Pro Ultra Heat, one of the most advanced all-in-one robot cleaning systems on the market. This machine blends effortless automation with powerful performance. With a massive 7,000 Pascal suction level, it doesn't just pick up dirt, it pulls debris out of carpet fibers like a deep cleaning extractor. The Mop Extend technology lets it reach into corners that most robots simply glide past. But the real magic happens in the dock. The L10S Pro Ultra Heat uses 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-cleaning to sanitize its pads after every run, ensuring your robot always uses clean, hygienic mop water, not old dirt being pushed around again. It automatically handles its own maintenance, handles obstacle avoidance with precision, and is ideal for long hair, pet homes, and thick carpet households. It's one of those robots you set up once and forget about, because it does the work for you every single day. Next, we move to the Roborock Cravo series, upgraded from the popular Cravo S, and this new version takes everything to the next level. With 8,000 Pascal of strong suction, anti-tangle brushes, and smart obstacle avoidance, this robot glides smoothly through complicated floor layouts. What truly separates it from others is its dual 200 RPM spinning mop pads, which scrub floors with pressure that rivals manual cleaning. Stubborn stains, sticky spills, dry footprints. The Cravo wipes them away without hesitation. The all-in-one dock takes care of mop washing, rinsing, and drying automatically, making it one of the most hands-free systems in its class. This robot is perfect for busy homes where you need dependable, consistent cleaning without dealing with constant maintenance or stoppages. Then we have a machine that takes raw power to extremes, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. This robot enters the lineup like a powerhouse, featuring a massive 13,000 Pascal suction system. That's not a typo. This is one of the strongest suction levels available in any robot vacuum on Amazon right now. But it doesn't stop there. It uses 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, mop washing and drying to sanitize its mop pads, dual spinning extendable mops for aggressive scrubbing, and a smart 10.5mm auto-lifting mop system that raises the pads when transitioning from tile to carpet. Whether you have pets, large floor areas, thick rugs, or a lot of foot traffic, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra handles everything without slowing down. Add its 360-degree obstacle avoidance and full app control, and you get a premium robot cleaning experience at a surprisingly reasonable price. Now let's talk about the incredibly advanced Roborock Cravo Curvy X, a model that represents the cutting edge of smart cleaning. This robot is unbelievably slim at just 3.14 inches, allowing it to clean under beds, sofas, and low furniture where dust collects for years. With an astonishing 22,000 Pascal suction system, one of the strongest on the market, it picks up debris that many other robots simply glide over. The zero-tangling design solves one of the biggest problems robot vacuums face: hair winding around the brush. Its reactive AI obstacle recognition identifies objects in real time and adjusts its path instantly. The Adapt-I-Lift chassis raises and lowers its mop depending on the surface, giving you polished tile floors and dry carpets with no effort. And its auto hot water mop, washing and drying, ensures the mop pads remain clean, fresh, and ready for the next run. Finally, we reach one of the most advanced machines in the lineup, the Roborock Saros 10R. This robot combines 22,000 Pascal suction with a super slim 3.14-inch profile, giving it elite-level floor coverage. But what truly makes this robot unique is its flexi-arm riser technology, which allows the side brush to extend and retract automatically so it can clean edges and corners that round robots usually miss. It also features zero-tangle engineering for hair-heavy environments, self-emptying for dust, and hot air drying for mop pads, meaning no mold, no bad smells, and no manual cleaning of the dock. Whether you live in a large home, a multi-level apartment, or a pet-filled household, the Saros 10R brings professional-level cleaning into your home with almost no effort required from you. These robots represent the best of the best in 2025. They deliver high suction, advanced scrubbing, smart navigation, hygienic mop washing, hands-free maintenance, and real daily convenience. No matter which one you choose, upgrading to a modern robot vacuum and mop will genuinely change your home life. Your floors stay cleaner, your time is free, and your home feels more refreshed and organized every day. Make sure to use the links below to check for current discounts. They update constantly, and you don't want to miss out on the latest offers. These are the top robot vacuum and mop systems on Amazon right now, and any one of them can transform your cleaning routine instantly.